Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, it's broiling hot out here. Actually, it's the 4th of July. We're doing a little cooking outside. The family, as you can tell, is over there. You can hear them in the background, I'm sure. We're gonna cook some hot dogs and hamburgers. I'm just gonna show you an easy way to flavor these boys up, get them ready to go. So, hang tight. Well, let's make some hamburgers. Now, these are gonna be about 1/4 pound hamburgers. So I'm gonna get a ball about like this. I'm gonna put a sheet on the hamburger press. This is actually just too easy. Put a sheet on top like this, close it down good, get it all the way down, and then just like it says, press. And look at that. Perfect hamburger patty. How about that? All right. Let me get the rest of these. I've got 10 pounds to do today. So I'm gonna press these out. You don't need to watch me do them all. I'll bring you back. Okay, well, this is 10 pounds of hamburger patties. That should be enough. I'm gonna take and cover these up with this aluminum foil. Just right. They're going in the refrigerator, and when it's time to season them and put them on the grill, I'll bring you back. All right, we've got a catering pan full of hamburger patties. We're gonna take them laid out on the paper. We're gonna hit them with Lucky Shake and just a little bit, and a little bit of smoke bomb. And we're gonna go over to the grill and put them on, and I'll bring you back when we put them on the grill. All right, let's put the first tray down. Yes, I am.
I'm Jimmy's mother.
We got the last grill full of hamburgers going. We get those off. I've got, let's take a look over here. Maybe you can see these. I've got hot dogs going on the roller over here. Those are always good. That does a good job. And we're gonna take them off and make a hamburger here in just a minute. The last hamburger, that's the one I've been looking for. All right, let's go over and fix this hamburger. All right, let's make us a hamburger. All I'm doing is mustard and ketchup on this one. Let's take the flavor. As you can tell, the family's here. They don't pay me any attention. So I'm not gonna wait on them and pay them any attention. That's cooked perfect. Delicious. Hey, little Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake, Smoke Bomb, that's all you need. Great stuff. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? I'd appreciate it. Boom. Hit that like button. I'll have another video down here just for you. Nobody else, just for you. Won't cost a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight.